in Minneapolis, St. Paul area that provides community outreach activities related to multicultural education for the purposes of promoting positive race relationships within the Twin Cities. The Cultural Arts Education Program at HCC offers classes for the Thang instrument, Hmong dance, Hmong marriage, and funeral songs. This Thang class teaches children from ages 6 to 18 how to play the Thang musical instrument, traditional Thang songs, and how to perform Thang dances. This particular group has been learning and performing at various community events in the past few years. Will you give it up for Hmong Cultural Center, Thang Boys? Yeah.
So earlier I was actually interviewed and they asked me about the artists here and how that ties into culture and like the Little Mekong Night Market, and that's what I was saying is that this is